Hello, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to create themes in Elementor with RTMKit. So first of all, you need to install the RTMKit in Add Plugin, RTMKit. You need to install it, then activate it, and later on, when you add page and edit with Elementor, you scroll down. There is RTMKit General, and scroll down. There is theme. In here you can add theme, but first of all you need to create grid and 3 container, and we need to add theme. Need to wait, and here you can get style in social on hover. You scroll down first to check it, like this one, and overlay. Like this one. When your cursor go there and hover, it show an overlay. It will be center, like this one, and you can change the HTML tag H1 here, or H4. You can change member name, job title, and description, and you can change the picture in here, image, and social media. You can add and put the link in here, and you can change the icon also with icon library. After that, you can right click and copy and paste it in here, and also in here, and you're done. You just need to change the name here. So make sure that you install it RTMKit in your plugin. So thank you. Plugin